Divide your class in groups of 5 to 6 students each. Pull the cards prepared by the students in your group. Observe various features of plants and animals shown on the cards. Recall the features of plants and animals that you have listed in tables 2.1 and 2.2. Group them on the basis of common features. Share and discuss the basis of grouping you have made with other groups in your class. You will be surprised to see that the bases used by different groups may vary. What do you think are the reasons behind it? Different students might have chosen different common features for the grouping. For example, some students may have chosen the height of plants as the basis for grouping while others might have chosen presence or absence of flowers as the basis for grouping of plants. See Fig. Though the flowers, hard soft stem, eating habits, place they live curiosity textbook of science grade 6 solar. S. No. Name of the plant height nature of stem appearance of. As what they eat, where they live, what color they are and how they move. What is the importance of grouping? Grouping makes it easier to understand and study plants and animals on the basis of their similarities and differences. You will learn more about the importance of grouping in our daily lives in the chapter, Materials Around Us. 2.2.1 How to Group Plants. You must have noticed that plants show variation in the features related to stems, leaves, flowers, and more. The stems of different plants vary in thickness, height, and hardness, while the leaves vary in shape, color, size, and arrangement. You might have tried grouping the plants in Activity 2.3 using one of these features. You might have also learned in earlier classes that plants can be grouped into herbs, shrubs, and trees based on their height and types of stem. Let us study the features of plants in more detail and group them on that basis. Activity 2.4 Let us group. Let us go on a nature walk again for some more interesting observations. Look closely at the heights of different plants. Are these plants shorter than you, as tall as you, or taller than you? Is the stem brown or green? Touch and feel their stems and try to bend them gently. Can you bend the stem easily, or is it stiff? Take care that stems do not break. Also, observe from where the branches of the plants arise, whether they rise close to the ground or higher up on the stem. Fill in your observations in Table 2.3. A few examples are already given. Fig. 2.2 Some possible criteria of grouping. 2.3 Grouping of plants based on height and nature of stem. DIVARSITINTHALIVING word. Satra. Fig. 2.4 what differences do you observe among herbs, shrubs, and trees? How can you group plants as herbs, shrubs, and trees based on the data entered in Table 2.3? Some plants grow really tall and have hard, thick, brown, and woody stems. Their branches typically start higher up on the stem and away from the ground. These plants are called trees. For example, a mango tree Fig. 2.3a. All plants are not as tall as trees. These plants often have many brown woody stems that start branching very close to the ground. These stems are hard but not as thick as the stem of a tree. These plants are called shrubs. For example, a rose plant is a shrub Fig. 2.3b. Some plants are typically small with soft and green stems. These are known as herbs. For example, a tomato plant is a herb Fig. 2.3c. Some plants with weak stems need support to climb and grow, and are called climbers. Some plants creep along the ground and are called creepers. What can be other features on the basis of which you can group plants? Let us